Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel here. We create simple and powerful English stories, especially for learners who want to improve their English in an easy and interesting way. If you want to learn English through stories, improve your vocabulary, and enjoy meaningful lessons, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now let's start today's story. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that today is exactly the same as yesterday. Same people, same conversation, same time. And no matter what you do, you cannot move forward. What if you had to live the same day again and again, not for one day, not for one week, but for years? Would it feel like a curse, or could it become the biggest opportunity of your life? This is the story of Ravi, simple man who got stuck in one single day and discovered something that changed him forever. Ravi was a normal man who lived in a small town. His life was simple and quiet. Every day, he woke up at 7 a.m., brushed his teeth, drank a cup of tea, and went to his office. He worked there from morning to evening and then came back home, had dinner, watched TV, and slept. His life was not exciting, but it was peaceful. One day, something very strange happened. Ravi woke up at 7 a.m. like always. The sunlight came through his window, and he could hear birds. Outside, everything felt normal. He got ready and went to the office. When he reached there, his friend Amit smiled and said, "Monday again. We can finish so fast." Ravi felt confused. He said, "Monday, but yesterday was Monday too." Amit laughed and said, "What are you saying? Yesterday was Sunday." Ravi thought maybe he was tired or confused, so he ignored it. He worked the whole day and went back home. That night, he felt a little strange, but he slept anyway. The next morning, Ravi woke up again at 7 a.m. He looked around. Everything looked exactly the same. The same sunlight, the same sounds, the same feeling. He went outside and saw the milkman coming at the same time. The same newspaper was at his door. Even the same dog was barking in the street. Now Ravi felt scared. He went to the office again, and everything was exactly the same as yesterday. Same people, same clothes, same words. It was like the day was repeating. That night, Ravi could not sleep properly. He kept thinking about what was happening. The next morning, he woke up again at 7 a.m. Same day, same Monday. After a few days, Ravi understood the truth. He was stuck in a loop. He was living the same day again and again. At first, he was very afraid. He tried to tell people, but no one believed him. For them, it was always the first time living that day. Only Ravi remembered everything. He tried to escape. One day, he did not go to the office. Another day, he traveled far away from the city. He even tried staying awake all night, thinking maybe sleep was causing the problem, but nothing worked. Every morning, he woke up at 7 a.m. and the same day started again. Ravi became sad and tired. He felt like his life had no meaning. No matter what he did, nothing changed. But after some time, he had a different idea. If I cannot escape this day, he thought, then I will use it. So Ravi started doing new things. One day, he tried cooking. The food was not very good, but he tried again the next day. Slowly, he became better. Another day, he picked up a book and started reading. At first, it was difficult, but after many days, he started enjoying it. He also decided to improve his English. Every day, he learned new words and practiced speaking. Since the day kept repeating, he had unlimited time to learn. Slowly, his English became very good. Then he tried learning the guitar. At first, his hands hurt, and the sound was not nice, but he kept practicing every day. After many days, he could play beautiful music. Ravi started changing. He was no longer afraid of the loop. Instead, he was using it to become better. One day, while walking on the road, he saw a man sitting and crying. Normally, Ravi would ignore such things, but this time he stopped. He asked, "What happened?" The man said, "I lost my job. I don't know what to do." Ravi sat with him and listened. He tried to comfort him. The next day, the same thing happened again. The man was in the same place, crying again. But this time, Ravi knew what to say. He spoke with more confidence and gave better advice. The man smiled a little. Ravi realized something important. Even if the day resets, the moment is real for the people living it. So Ravi started helping others. He helped an old woman cross the road. He helped a child understand homework. He helped his friends with their problems. Every day, he made someone smile. Years passed like this. For Ravi, it felt like he lived for many years inside one single day. He changed a lot. Before, he was always busy and never cared about others. Now, he was kind and patient. Before, he was afraid of failure. Now, he was not afraid, because he knew he could always try again. One day, Ravi sat quietly and thought about his life. He remembered how he used to live before the loop. He was always in a hurry. He never enjoyed small things. He never took time to grow or help others. Maybe this loop was not a punishment. Maybe it was a lesson. The next morning, Ravi woke up again at 7 a.m. Same day, same Monday, but this time he decided to live the day perfectly. He smiled at everyone he met. He spoke kindly to people. He helped wherever he could. He worked honestly. He spent time with his family and listened to them carefully. He enjoyed his tea, the fresh air, and even the small sounds around him. That night, he felt something different. He felt peaceful. He smiled and said, "Today was a good day." Then he slept. The next morning, Ravi woke up and looked at the clock. It was 7 a.m., but something felt different. He went outside. The milkman was late. The newspaper was not the same. The street looked a little different. Ravi's heart started beating fast. He quickly checked the date on his phone. It was Tuesday. For the first time in many years, the day had changed. Ravi could not believe it. He laughed loudly. He felt free. After living the same day again and again for so long, he was finally moving forward. He looked at the sky and smiled. Life was normal again, but Ravi was not the same person anymore. Now he understood the value of time. He understood the importance of kindness, learning, and living in the moment. From that day, Ravi lived his life differently. He stayed kind. He kept learning. He helped others whenever he could, because he knew something that others did not know. Every day is special, and sometimes one single day is enough to change your whole life. So what did Ravi really learn? He learned that life is not about how many days we have, but how we use each day. We often wait for a better tomorrow, but we forget that today is already a chance to learn, a chance to improve, a chance to help someone. Ravi did not escape the loop by running away from it. He escaped it by becoming a better person. So ask yourself, if you had to live today again and again, would you be proud of how you lived it? Now tell me in the comments, what would you do if you were in Ravi's place? And if you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English in a simple and interesting way, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing English stories. We will meet again in the next story. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling.